What's up, my friends and fans? This is Brennan here again, and I just got my silver play button. It took me like lots of trial and error, but I was finally able to get it. And just to prove I'm not wrong, here it is, in all its packaging glory. Well, so ever since I reached 100,000 subscribers, I always wanted to get my hands on a silver play button. The trouble is, though, I wasn't able to get one because I wasn't eligible for the partner program. I tried getting in contact with some members of YouTube support team, but for some reason, they just didn't want to get me one. Until today, when I finally managed to succeed. So, as I showed you before, here's the packaging that it came in. And let's get to opening this thing. Okay, so this is gonna take me a little while for me to get it opened, since it's taped and all. But I'll find some way to manage. Okay. Let me just get the tape off. Well, yeah, I'm using a pencil to open it up, so why not? Yeah, I'm using a pencil to open it, why not? Ooh. I'm gonna have to get something a little sturdier. Okay, here we go. Alright. Now to get the other part open. From the back here. Okay. Well, now that I got the tape off, let's just, sorry. It's hard to open this thing with only one hand. It's gonna take a little while, but oh wait, I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, I finally managed to get it open. Take the thing off. And here's the little congratulations note from YouTube itself. And voila! Oops. Voila! Okay, I think that's about it for my hold of you applauding. Isn't she a beauty? I thought so. Yeah, so let me just get this thing out of the plastic. Isn't she a beauty? Also, hi me. So yeah. And I'm gonna put this right where I can see it. Okay, so actually my dad's gonna help put up my silver play button later, but yeah. I'd like to thank everybody. I'd like to thank all of my subscribers for getting me this far. If it wasn't for you, then I wouldn't be here today. So yeah. I just like to give one final thanks to everybody who supported me on YouTube throughout the years. I actually feel flattered that I was able to get this thing like that. I'd also like to thank all of my friends and family who are also supporting my channel. And again, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here today. So yeah, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel for more videos from me coming soon. And until then, this is me signing off. Peace.